When you first get into trading, don't tell anybody that you're trading. Don't tell your family and don't tell your friends. Do not tell anybody. There is not a single person in this world who understands trading like a trader. Only a trader understands the patience and the discipline required and how much time it takes to be successful. Every single person around you is going to say it's gambling, that you're risking everything, and that it's a waste of time. But great things take time, so be patient and keep going.
And a top of the morning to you. Welcome back to WealthWiseGuru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. And we are at the opening of the bell this morning. And it is September the 20th, 2024. And it's the last and final trading day of the week. And we are one day past the Fed rate cuts. And so we're going to be momentarily checking out the market and see what she is doing this morning, one day after the FedEx rate cuts. You're currently looking at on the screen the ROI app. And the ROI app is a tool that you can use with your investment portfolio app. Whether you have Robinhood, Moo, Acon, or Webull, this is a excellent app to help you in your investment journey. It gives you a better outlook and a more up close what your portfolio is actually doing. Gives you a better outline of what it's actually doing. Give you more information. And so I would highly recommend you guys get this app. If you are a stock market investor and you are using app investor to invest in the stock market. And as you can see this morning, my net worth has fallen to $113,455 for this morning. And this particular app, like I said, it measures your portfolio, what your portfolio is currently doing. And I have copy trades. Copy trades is when you could find your favorite influencer, your favorite investor influencer that's trading in the market, and you want to find out what he or she has in their portfolio, and you want to copy such trades, have such trades in your portfolio as well. So that's what copy trades mean. And so let's click on it and see what's in it. Right now I have 9 copy trades in my portfolio, and these are the individuals that I have traded copy their portfolio into my portfolio. And my favorite is Congress. And yes, your Congress does invest in the stock market, and so this is my favorite strategy to follow. And as you can see, they have 67.1% investment in the Nvidia. And then it has next here Amgen, which is 3.9%, and Simon Properties 3.8, ACN 3.8, and General Dynamics Corporation 3.7, air products and chemicals, 3.6, linkage, 3.6, Hershey, 3.5, and Cub, 3.5, and Garmin, 3.5. So you just pick which ones is your favorite, and see what they're doing, and also gives you a current update of what they are doing for today. And I have already placed my order in for today. I placed my order. Actually, I placed my order in last night, and I did. I think it was 200 last night, and so my portfolio is really down today by quite a bit. And as you can see, my portfolio is down today by quite a bit, almost $10,000. In this particular apps, it tracks your missing net worth, as you can see. And these are the things that you can add, that it also tracks, including vehicles, your home, everything. It actually tracks checking account, savings account. You can add all that to it, and it gives you a better measurement of your portfolio. And I love it personally myself. So I would highly recommend it. Again, it was called the ROI app. And okay, now it has adjusted itself, and now my portfolio is actually up at $124,317. So that's more of a better adjustment. Yesterday it was got up to 130,000. And like I said, if you want to invest in your favorite trader, you just click on that, explore, and then you look for your favorite explorer. And my favorite explorer, like I say, is Congress. So that's what I usually trade the way Congress buy trade, and this is the trades companies that they have in their portfolio. And sometimes I trade with Nancy Pelosi, which is a Democrat. She's one of the richest Democrats in Congress, and so sometimes I'll trade and see what she actually has in her portfolio. And as you can see, she started out with Apple on top, Amazon, Alphabet, Salesforce, Microsoft, Nvidia, Netflix, CrowdStrike, Visa, American Express, and Walt Disney, and CMCSA. So this is what she have in her portfolio. Let's get the latest updates. And the latest update, she has a new position in CMCSA and American Express, Visa, Netflix, Apple, CRM, and Nvidia. And she has reduced positions in Microsoft, Google, CRWD, Amazon, and Disney. So if you want to invest like your favorite influencer, you just simply click on invest, and then you type in the amount that you want to invest. I think you can go as low as $15, or you can just simply go up here and place those amounts, and then it goes right to your brokerage. So we're not going to be doing anything right now. I don't know what my buying power is this morning. Let's check the Robinhood app and see what's going on. And as you can see, we are just about 20 minutes into the opening of the bell. Again, we welcome you guys back to WealthWiseGuru. I'm your host, John Schaff. And we are down this morning by $21.90. And at least we haven't fallen thousands and thousands of dollars. A lot of times that's what usually happens after having such a positive day in the market. A lot of time we'll have what you call sell off, and sell off is simply people. It's simply a lot of movement in the market, and people taking profit. People taking profit out of the market. So usually when you have such a day like we had yesterday because of the Fed's rate cuts, then that next day you'll see a lot of movement in the market, and that's usually people taking profit. I try to take as little profit as I can out of the market, and my long-term goal is to build generational wealth. And so I try to get to a particular level of investing before I actually start taking a whole lot of profit out of it. Your first $100,000 into your portfolio is going to be extremely hard. Take a lot of time and experience and patience to actually build a portfolio to $100,000. And if you can build your portfolio let me start over. If you can build your portfolio to $1,000, then you can build it to $2,000. If you can build it to $2,000, then you can build it to $4,000. If you can build it to $4,000, then you can build it to $8,000. And if you could build it to $10,000, that means that you can build it to $20,000, and then $30,000, and $40,000, and so on. Your first $100,000 is going to be hard trying to build it, and it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and consistent trading and discipline, and not trading on your emotions. Your second $100,000, once you get to the first one, will actually be more easier than the first one, and the third and fourth and so on. So after you had made your first $100,000 in your portfolio, it is very easy at that point to actually become a millionaire, because you actually have more profit working with you. You have more money working with you, so it's going to be extremely easy because of the level of profit and income that you have in your portfolio. But first you have to get to that first 100,000. And as you can see, we have a lot of sell off this morning. A lot of stocks are down, and I was hoping that whether we're just going to continue to get that bounce that we got yesterday from the Fed rate cuts. But as you can see, it is back down to business as usual, as they say. So the only thing that means is that today is going to be a buying day. This is the day that you would start loading up on some stocks and holding on to those stocks and waiting for them to mature in value. And this is actually one of the worst months to invest in the stock market is the month of September. And so, as you can see, it's an election year as well, so that adds to it as well. The different politicians running for the office of presidency. So at any time, one of them can say something that the market doesn't like and actually affect the market, causing a lot of volatility in the market. So as we come up on the election, which is in November, when we get past that and we actually know who's going to be the next leader, then you will see hopefully a tremendous change in the market. But I must say the market and the economy seems to be a whole lot better when you have a Republican in office. And that don't mean that I am endorsing anybody, but I know who my candidate is and who I would like to see as president. And so I'm going to go with the person I think is highly experienced and has been in office before. I'm not looking to find out whether somebody new can continue on with what they've been doing. So, and as you can see, the portfolio is bouncing back and forth. Is down right now at $43. I have a buying power of $1,200. And again, if you wanted to say withdraw or take profit, you just simply click this. This is the Robinhood app. And again, I have what you call a margining portfolio. And so as you can see, I have a very low risk this morning of a margin call. So if you wanted to withdraw from your portfolio, you simply click, and this is if you have a Robinhood platform. Simply click on that position there, and then you could withdraw whichever amount that you like to withdraw. And if you need more money than what you have in buying power, and you like to withdraw a greater amount of money, you simply just scroll down to your particular app. To your particular shares, and just sell off whatever it is that you want to sell off. So naturally, if you want to sell off and take profit in a particular app, you do not want to do that if it's in red. Red means that you are that is on sale, and you need to be buying more of it. Only take profit when you see your particular shares in the green. So you just click on that. This is Meta platform, Facebook, formerly Facebook, and just say you wanted to take some profit out of it. You can take profit out as many as these shares if you would like, if you so choose to. Right now, I have a market value of a little over $1,500. So if I wanted to take some shares out of it, and I also have a option strategy, one option strategy against it, which is worth $247. So if I wanted to say take shares out of this particular company, I would hit trade, and then I would hit sell, and this is the amount of money that I would have available to me if I want to take money out of that. You can also type in what you want, whether it be $25, $30, $100, or just say $760. And then what you do, you swipe up, and then the money, and then the share would sell, and it would go into your buying. It would go into your buying portfolio, or your buying power area, which is this. This is your buying power area. If you sold that particular share, then the amount that you sold will end up right here. And then you will click on this, and then you'll click up here, and then you'll click whatever amount that you want to withdraw. And you could either send it to your bank account, or send it to your spending side of your portfolio. So Robinhood does have a spending side, and once you sign in or sign up for Robinhood, they give you a debit card, and that debit card could be used anywhere that accepts MasterCard or Visa. In the old days, if you have stock and you want to sell and take some profit out of a particular stock, you had to wait 10, 15, 20 days in order to sell that stock, and for all final transaction to settle. But this is a new day and time with the modern and new day cell phones, being able to have investment apps at your fingertips by way of cell phone. And as you can see, I still have $17,760 in Google. So if I wanted to pull some money out of that particular share, which is 108 shares, if I wanted to pull some money out of it, like I say, and then it has a option. It has one option strategy on it, which is negative 3,800. So if I wanted to take some shares, take some profit out of it, I just click trade, and then I would click sell, and this is what I would have available to me right now if I wanted to take profit out of it. And you can do that as many as companies that you have in your portfolio. And like I said, you only take profit out of your portfolio if that particular company that you're taking profit out of is into the green and not into the red. Red means that you need to be buying, and the green means that you need to be, if you want to take profit, that's when you take profit out of it once it turns green. And see, you are listening to another episode of WealthWiseGuru. I'm your host, John Schaff. I'm going to be showing you a strategy this morning, trying to find out. Let's go to the S&P Y 500. be placing a option strategies this morning, and this particular strategy is for you guys that have a small account, not too much money in it, and you're trying to grow your portfolio. And we're going to be placing a what you call a iron corridor, and we're going to be selecting the date of let's see, day is the 20th. So the farther out, the better. So let's select say September 30th, and this is what you call a iron corridor. You're gonna click buy and call. So that means that we are expecting for this particular share to go up in value. Right now it's trading at $567 and some cents. Anything above that means it is out of the money. Anything below it means it is out. Anything above it means it's out of the money. Anything below it means it is into the money. And so we're going to be scrolling up, and we're going to be placing a iron corridor. A iron corridor is a extra protection to keep you from losing too much money. It does not cost you that much money to place a iron corridor. It is a great way to build up a small account, a small portfolio. If you have less than 10,000, less than 1,000, and you're trying to build up your portfolio. So we're gonna go up to 15%, and it's at 567 right now. Iron corridor 567, and let's see what we can come up with this morning. Okay, so iron corridor, let's go to 569, and let's click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus signs, that you're letting the app know that you are going to continually add to this. And so you're going to go one protection up. That gives you a protection whether when it goes up or whether it goes down, give you a little bit more of a leeway. So you click on that as well. And then on top here where it say buy, call, that's what you just did. So now you want to click on buy and put. And then you want to go down below the striking point, which is 566 for today. And then you want to go just a little bit out of the money. Like I said, anytime you put a put in, anything that is below the striking point is out of the money. Anything above it is into the money. And so you're going to be clicking on that little plus sign, and then you're going to add a level of protection, and you're going to click on the next plus sign, and then you're going to click, and this is what you call an iron corridor. And this is just for a demonstration only. You have an opening position of 206 and an open position of 291. And then if it doesn't go in your favor, you also have a put in the opposite direction. Okay, I don't know why that's hold on. Phone not want to work this morning. For some reason, another is not working. Okay, hold on a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to be, this is the S&P Y 500. And the S&P Y 500 is the only stock I would place this particular strategy in, and it's called a iron corridor. And so you want to go up to the top, and you usually want to go out at least 30 days. So the day is you can do weekly corridors, or you can do daily corridors. So for this demonstration, let's go out to the October the 4th. And so it was 566.67 is the S&P Y trading point for the day, trading share price for the day. We're going to go to the top here. We're going to hit buy call. And anything that when you're buying a call, it means you're expecting for it to go up in value. And so right now it's at 566. So that gives us a little bit of time. So let's go to say 570. Instead of clicking here, we're going to be clicking. Clicking the plus sign. So when you click that plus sign, you're telling the app that you're going to be adding to it. And so we're going to go one strike above it, and we're going to add 571. Simply click on it, and then you go back up to the top here. Instead of buying call, you want to buy and put. And what this is a layer of extra protection, and it protects you if your particular strategies goes up in profit. It gives you a layer of protection, and then if it goes down or go against you, it also gives you an extra layer of protection. So right now it's at 567. It's S&P Y 500. If we go below striking point, it is a put. So that means anything below striking point is out of the money. Anything above it is into the money. So we just want to go just below it, which means out of the money. So we click on that plus sign, and then we'll go one level down and click on the next plus sign. And this is what you call a iron corridor, and it will cost you only $19 to place this particular strategy. We're gonna go here, and we're going to go. This is your loss area here. This is your profit area here. And so this is a excellent strategy to build a small portfolio into a big significant size portfolio. So you go up here and put in 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want to, how many of those shares you want to buy, and then you go here. Put in 19.06. And so this is a median. Likelihood of this being accepted is median for some reason or another. So sometimes you have to kind of like play with this, because it bounces around, as you can see. So that's not working. So let's go back out and go to 18.97. Okay. Well, what you're trying to do is get to what it's saying that you have a high probability of this particular strategy being filled. Right now it's at medium to low. So when you see medium to low, then that's usually a sign of not then maybe you shouldn't get into this particular strategy. Yeah, I'm still trying to get it to get it high. And sometimes you just have to go back out of it and come up with something else if you can't get it to go high. Sometimes medium would go through, and then sometimes medium does not. You have a better chance when they say high. So we're going to be clearing that out, and we're going to be starting all over again. Let's go on October the 4th. Okay, let's click on. Right now it's at 567. So let's click on buy. Make sure you click on this, buy a call. It's very important to select your whether you're buying a call or buying a put. And it's very important to select your date. So we're going to be hitting this plus sign here. We're going to go up a layer of protection and hitting this one. And then we're going back up to the top and going to be doing a put. And we're going to be going here and here. And this will only cost you $21.22. But it has a profit margin of this here. This is your profit margin. Sure, this particular strategy goes in your favor. This is an excellent way to build up a small portfolio. So for some reason or another, still not going up above that median. So if you want to execute this particular strategy, you actually hit review, and then you type in your 1 here, and then you would type in 21, 25. Sometimes this thing does not want to work. And so that's not going to work. Let's go 21. And okay, now let's drop. It's going back and forth now to medium to high. Okay, like I said, the market moves so fast. You better have time to put your strategy in before before it's moving again. But you guys get the drift of what I'm trying to do. This is what you call an iron corridor, and it doesn't cost you that much money. And this would be your max loss. It's just that you definitely not gonna have that. So at this point, I don't have enough to cover such a buying power. So we're going to be clicking on deposit funds to see how much I would need in order to place this particular strategy. So you'll be needing another $1,500 to place this particular strategy. And say you do not have $1,500 in your portfolio, but you do have $1,500 in your. You do not have $1,500 in your bank account, but you do have $1,500 in your portfolio, and you could simply take some profit out of a particular option of a particular share. Take some profit out of it until you have enough to cover that particular strategy. And see, in my case, I have at least $21,000 in my portfolio that I can work with should I want to do something like that. So I would go down here, say Apple, and sell off some of Apple, which could be 500 or more, and I can go on and do that throughout how many shares that I have there are in the profit stage right now, and then I can go back to that particular strategy and initiate it. And that's what you call a iron corridor. And as you can see, that the portfolio is down this morning by $300. Is going back and forth. That little rate cut was nothing more than the little small boost in the market. Unlike the chairman was saying yesterday, this is not a new beginning, but probably just the same current position of what's going on in the market. And like I said before, we are into an election year, and we are into one of the worst months of trading in the stock market, which is September. And so we're going to be closing out this video for today. Hoping and wishing you guys a happy day in trading. Have yourself a good weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday at the opening of the bell. And I ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button on your way out. And again, we'll see you guys on Monday at the opening of the bell. Thank you for watching. And so let's see, this is Adobe. Let's click on it. If I was to go through with this particular strategy, I would type in 1 here, which means 1 contract. Then I would go here. Limited price is $8.40 to $8.95. So it's down now, it's down back.
When you first get into trading, don't tell anybody that you're trading. Don't tell your family, and don't tell your friends. Do not tell anybody. There is not a single person in this world who understands trading like a trader. Only a trader understands the patience and the discipline required and how much time it takes to be successful. Every single person around you is going to say it's gambling, that you're risking everything, and that it's a waste of time. But great things take time, so be patient and keep going.